Hello, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Have a good time. We all love that perfectly toned body without any hint of flabs, but we also know that achieving that needs a huge effort and dedication. No wonder staying in shape seems like a daunting task, as it is not just sacrificing on your favorite delicacies, rather it calls for a holistic change, which also calls for regular workout or brisk walk. The idea of going on to a strict diet sounds like a daunting task, and especially when you are looking for a quick weight loss plan. Well, to achieve this quick weight loss target, we often spend a bomb at the gyms and fitness centers and whatnot. But what if we tell you that you can simply lose 3 to 4 kgs a week just by following this simple diet plan, that too without putting in much effort? So, here's a low on the GM diet, which can effectively help in losing weight fast. First week, any gluten-free cereal or grain can be prepared as a porridge or khichdi. Following this plan for 2 to 3 days can help in losing 3 to 4 kgs. Breakfast. Begin your day with 1 cup of low-fat milk with 2 tablespoon oats or cornflakes. Lunch. Then for lunch you can prepare dalia khichdi loaded with vegetables. Apart from that, you can eat 2 bowls of that khichdi or porridge to satiate your cravings. Tea time. Replace regular sugar and milk-based tea with green tea. Dinner. Any gluten-free porridge or dalia cooked with low-fat milk. Mid-meal snack. Melon seeds, walnuts or almonds. Plan 2. Another popular form of GM diet is going for a soup-based diet, wherein the only major meal of the day is a soup bread meal, which must be followed for at least 3 to 4 days to lose as good as 2 to 3 kilos. Begin your day with a hot cup of green tea and almonds. Breakfast. A hearty bowl of breakfast can make your day, and this can be done by preparing a bowl of soup with vegetables like beans, cabbage, tomato and various seasonal veggies. Lunch. Next is time to add some bread slices to your meal, along with a hearty bowl of soup. Tea time. A piping hot cup of green tea. Dinner. Either a bowl of soup or veg sandwich made with veggies can help in satiating those cravings. It is essential to add either green tea or green coffee, as it gives the body ample antioxidants and nutrients to sustain the diet. Do's and don'ts. It is always advised to go for some basic exercise or brisk walk. This makes the diet even more effective. Apart from that, it is essential to understand that weight loss takes time, and thus binge eating is a strict no-no, as it can ruin your efforts. Do not skip meals, as the gap leads to overeating and bloating, which gradually affects metabolism. Reduce sugar intake. Rather, if you want to make your food sweet, replace it with honey, but sugar can spoil your efforts.